Are you tired of overcooked or undercooked meat ruining your meals? The problem isn't your cooking. It's the lack of precision. A smart wireless meat thermometer can fix that instantly, giving you perfect results every single time without constant checking. I end this video. We've picked the best smart meat thermometers with top accuracy, long range, and powerful features. Watch till the end to find the perfect one for you. Let's get started. Number 1. ThermoMaven Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The ThermoMaven Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer is a high-performance cooking tool designed for those who want precision and reliability in every meal. It features 6 advanced sensors along with NIST-certified accuracy, ensuring highly accurate temperature readings for perfectly cooked meat every time. Whether you're grilling, smoking, roasting, or slow cooking, this thermometer delivers consistent results across all cooking methods. One of its standout features is the combination of Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. When connected to Wi-Fi, it offers unlimited monitoring range, allowing you to track your cooking progress from anywhere without staying close to the grill. This is especially useful for long cooking sessions. The device also includes a standalone base that improves signal stability and ensures uninterrupted performance. With dual probes, you can monitor 2 different dishes at the same time, making cooking more efficient. Combined with its durable build, smart app integration, and real-time alerts, the ThermoMaven provides a professional-level cooking experience for serious cooking enthusiasts. Number 2. Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer Gen 3. The Chef IQ Sense Smart Thermometer Gen 3 is an advanced and feature-rich cooking tool designed for both home cooks and professionals. It comes with 3 ultra-thin probes and 5 internal sensors, delivering precise and real-time temperature tracking for different types of meat. This makes it ideal for grilling, roasting, smoking, and even air frying. One of its key highlights is Wi-Fi connectivity, which provides unlimited monitoring range. This allows you to check your cooking progress from anywhere, making the cooking process more convenient and stress-free without constant supervision. The thermometer is also highly heat-resistant, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for high-heat cooking environments. Its smart mobile app offers guided cooking, real-time alerts, and notifications to ensure perfectly cooked results every time. With its sleek design, durable construction, and intelligent features, the Chef IQ Sense Gen 3 stands out as a premium and reliable solution for modern cooking needs in any kitchen. Number 3. ThermoPro TempSpike Plus. The ThermoPro TempSpike Plus is a reliable and easy-to-use wireless meat thermometer designed for everyday cooking needs. It features dual color-coded probes, allowing you to monitor 2 different dishes at the same time with clear identification. This makes it highly practical for grilling sessions or family cooking. With a strong Bluetooth range of up to 600 feet and an LCD-enhanced booster, it ensures stable connectivity and improved signal performance even in outdoor environments. The built-in display provides quick and clear readings, reducing the need to constantly check your phone. This thermometer is ideal for grilling, smoking, roasting, and oven cooking, offering accurate performance without unnecessary complexity. Its simple interface makes it suitable for beginners as well as experienced users. Overall, the TempSpike Plus delivers a perfect balance of affordability, functionality, and dependable performance. Number 4. ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometer is a premium and innovative cooking tool designed for precision and convenience. With its completely wireless design, it eliminates the hassle of tangled cables, offering a clean and modern cooking experience. It is suitable for use in grills, ovens, smokers, and even deep fryers. This device features advanced sensors that monitor both internal meat temperature and ambient cooking conditions, ensuring perfectly balanced results every time. It also supports high heat resistance up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, making it reliable for intense cooking environments. The Bluetooth connectivity provides long-range monitoring, while the smart app offers guided cooking, alerts, and estimated cooking time. Its sleek and durable build enhances usability and style. Overall, the ThermoPro is an excellent choice for users who want smart technology, accuracy, and convenience in one compact device. Number 5. Typhur Sync Gold Wireless Meat Thermometer Gen 2. The Typhur Sync Gold Wireless Meat Thermometer is a next-generation device built for users who prioritize accuracy, stability, and advanced connectivity. Equipped with 6 high-precision sensors, It provides detailed and consistent temperature readings across different parts of the meat. This ensures perfectly cooked results every time. One of its most impressive features is the enhanced sub 1G signal technology, which offers up to 10 times stronger and more stable connectivity compared to standard Bluetooth devices. Combined with Wi-Fi support, it allows unlimited monitoring range, making it ideal for long cooking sessions. It works efficiently across multiple cooking methods, including barbecue, oven, smoker, and air fryer. The smart app provides real-time updates and alerts, simplifying the cooking process. Overall, the Typhur Sync Gold is a powerful and reliable choice for advanced users and professionals. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.